Hello, my lovely friends, viewers, and my awesome subscribers. A warm welcome to my amazing channel and your favorite channel, Fashion Addiction. Friends and viewers, how are you all? Hope you are good. May God bless you with more happiness every day. My dear friends, we are showing you the variety of dressing styles and updated fashion. We brings you the best of the best from each designer's collection and making it possible for our viewers to feel like they have a personal stylist. So friends and viewers, stay with us and see our latest dresses designs and stylish videos. My dear viewers, in this video you will see the brilliant variety of floral print silk pencil skirts for women. These skirts, designs and colors are very pretty and gorgeous as well. And these skirts are so comfortable and gorgeous that you can confidently wear them without any worry in formal or casual events. And these skirts designs are picked very carefully with the vision that every article suits you in every way possible. So friends and my lovely viewers, here is the fun thing for you all. If you like them all, then don't forget to hit the red subscribe button so you never miss any future update from my channel Fashion Addiction. And friends, if you don't like any, just tell me in the comment section. So next time you will only see your favorite choice articles. My dear viewers and subscribers, in this video you will see the latest designs of pencil skirts, and these are selected only for you to maintain an impressive fashion sense of you. So friends, you have come to this page in search for something and we want to make sure you find it. That's why we have new arrivals every day. We want to make sure you find those ever so specific outfits like prom dresses, lace sundresses, bodycon dresses, party dresses and formal dresses. The list goes on. Friends, this is our today's video. We hope you must like our content and tell us your reviews in the comment section. Now show your love by like, share and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any future update from my channel. And friends, if you don't press the bell icon, you will miss my further videos, and I don't want that you will miss any update from my channel. Friends, I will wait for your kind comments and also try to answer any of your query as soon as possible. Watch this video completely, enjoy it, share it with your friends and families. Friends, thank you so very much for watching my whole video. I hope you are enjoying my video. Take a good care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Keep smiling. Take beautiful ideas from my channel. And friends, don't forget to press the bell icon for our more updates. Take care of yourself. Love you all.